of our flight in the airplane safe mode. Once again, welcome on board your Delta Connection. This is flight 4852 with service to Salt Lake City. In command of our aircraft is Captain John Brigance and First Officer Patrick Simonich. Wendy's up front. My name is Barbie. Together we'll be assisting you in the cabin, and we are here primarily for your safety. Located in the seat back pocket in front of you is a passenger safety card describing the safety features of our Canadair regional jet. Please follow along as we cover important safety information. There are 4 clearly marked emergency exits on this aircraft, 2 forward doors and 2 overwing exits. Please locate the exits nearest you. In some cases, they may be behind you. In the event of a loss of power, follow the floor illumination to the nearest exits. The cabin is being pressurized for your comfort and safety. In the unlikely event of a loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically fall from the panel above your head. Pull the mask firmly towards you to start the flow of oxygen, placing it over your nose and mouth and secure with the elastic strap. Although the bag will not inflate, oxygen is flowing. Please secure your mask first before offering assistance to others. Your seatbelt should be worn low and tight. To fasten, insert the flat metal tab into the buckle until it clicks. To tighten, pull the loose end of that strap, and to release, lift up on the buckle and pull apart. Your seat cushion can be used as a flotation device if necessary. Pull the cushion from the seat, placing your arms through the straps and grab your wrists. Infant life vests are located in a forward overhead compartment identified with a placard. Instructions on how to use the infant life vest can be found on your passenger safety card. FAA requires passenger compliance with the no smoking and seatbelt signs, placards, all crew member instruction. This includes the use of seatbelts and prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector installed in an aircraft lavatory. At this time, tray tables and seat backs must be in their upright and locked position. Carry-on items properly stowed in an overhead compartment or completely underneath the seat in front of you. Tray tables and seat backs in their upright and locked positions once again. It certainly is our pleasure to have you fly with us down to Salt Lake City. It'll be a fairly short flight. We hope you'll enjoy it.
Flight deck number 1 for departure, be aware in just a few minutes. Flight test.